Working on complex assemblies like the OMAX Micromax water jet with multiple systems and designers can be a challenge, especially when work needs to reference other subassemblies. Previous workflows would either have work done at the top-level assembly or by creating duplicate parts in subassemblies. These added significant time and could be difficult to manage. Envelopes have long been a great tool for making reference components that do not affect calculations or bills of materials. With the new envelope publisher in SOLIDWORKS 2020, envelopes are no longer limited to components in the same assembly. Now, we can simply select the components needed for reference and a destination assembly. Once the envelope is created, we can open this same destination assembly to complete the task. Now it is easy to finish all the plumbing design work in one place. We can add reference geometry or mate directly to the envelope components, ensuring the design will fit in the top-level assembly. Envelope Publisher makes it simple to work collaboratively in large assemblies and be assured design work will fit together seamlessly.